Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a parent row here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a parent row here in Smartsheet is a straightforward process, and once you are logged into your Smartsheet account, open the Smartsheet where you want to add a parent row. In this case, I'm going to be using this file. Now, once you are here, if you haven't already added the rows you need, do so now. You'll need at least one row to be the parent and one more rows to be its children. For in my case, I'm going to be putting something like maybe deep laughs parent. Okay, and for example, I'm gonna be I don't know, I'm just playing around, but you can do anything, something like this. Okay, now in this case, I'm going to select the two rows right here and just click this option that says indent. You make selected rows sub-items that can be expanded or collapsed. You see, it's going to be under the deep laughs parent. If I click on it, what will happen is it's going to be invincible. It's not here already. But if you collapse it, you would be able to see the child's. Alright? So, let me undo that again by clicking on Ctrl+Z. Now, I wanted this to be the child of this parent. Okay? And all I'm going to do is, again, it's very simple. Click the indent, and this is going to be under this specific column we're in. It says how to make a parent row here in Smartsheet. All right. Now, you see, parent rows help you organize and structure your data hierarchically. This makes it easier to manage and understand large data sets by grouping related tasks or items like this one. Right? For project management, parent rows can now represent major project phases or milestones, with child rows representing individual tasks or subtasks. And of course, I find it very useful in helping track progress and manage dependencies more effectively. I always do this a lot when I'm working with multiple freelancers, clients, and team members within an organization, because parent rows can be used to aggregate data from child rows. For example, you can use summary fields to show totals, averages, or other calculations based on the child rows here. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.